I went to business school and I heard Ian say, if you want to change your life, stay for the next session. And I thought, yeah, that's me. I want to change my life because I was in business for 12 years. I suppose I was a bit skeptical when I heard him talk that is. I thought, yes, it sounds too good to be true. But when he spoke about it, and I thought, I have those qualities being a teacher. I do like helping people. I can learn, I enjoy learning, and I can follow instructions, and I'm good with people. So I thought, I'm going to give this a go. So that's really what decided me. Absolutely. He's definitely a man of his word. Yes. I thought it was excellent being a teacher. I've been on many courses, and often they used to say, if you come away from a conference with one good piece of information, then that's good. And I'm not just saying this, but every single morsel of knowledge was invaluable. And we would start about 8:30, and I think we'd finish about 6. Of course, we'd had a couple of breaks in between, but it was so worthwhile. It made so much sense and so valuable and so methodical. It was excellent. Fantastic. And even still ongoing, because I can text Ian, I can email him. The other day I had a phone call with him. I booked a phone call because I just needed put back on track a little. Andrea at Streetsmart's there. The support's excellent. The material is excellent, and there's so much of it. I know one of my colleagues that was on the course, he's studying 2 hours a day and to get through it. There's so much of it that it's all worthwhile. There's no waffle in it. It's straight to the point. It's practical. It's not theory that you can't put into practice. It's really practical and addresses all the aspects of business that people need to know to grow their business. So it's excellent material. Well, when I went to Fiji, I just wanted rid of my business. I have a tuition service, and I was so fed up with it. I just wanted rid of it. Ian changed my mind about that and reignited the passion, if you like. Since coming back, I had let the student numbers drop to 44 because I really wasn't interested. Since coming back, we're now up to 62. I've taken on a new teacher who's doing high school maths. I'm actually, this morning before I did this hangout, I had Streetsmart do flyers. I walked around one of the more affluent suburbs and delivered 60 flyers. I have a marketing plan, which I never had before. I'm doing joint ventures. A lady from a childcare centre yesterday came in. I gave her leaflets, and I'm going to see her this afternoon. I phoned up another childcare centre and asked if they would take leaflets. So I'm actually, for the first time in 12 years, I believe I'm actually working on the business. And I know they bandy that term about, but I'm actually working on it rather than in it. So it's become more of a business rather than a job, and I'm thoroughly enjoying it. I'm enjoying learning about that aspect. I've also done 3 videos on reading, uploaded 2 of those to my Facebook page. The first one had about 540 hits, I think. Yesterday's went up, and that's had about 250 hits. And I'm starting to grow my database and using it. So a lot of changes. I've made a lot of changes. I would say go for it. If you're really serious, I would say absolutely go for it. And as Ian says, the only one that will stop you being a success is yourself. If you don't believe in yourself, and if you don't follow the system, you have to believe in yourself. There's no reason not to follow the system because the support's there if you get bogged down in it. And I would say if you do want to change your life, then definitely go for it.